I had faced many rejections in my life. And in the course of that time, I have grown a thick skin. Now, no one can make any damage. I have a thick skin because I'm criticism proof now.
I'm happy for I was rejected as
Mhm.
well, because I feel that we are not going to learn anything, even though it is the life lesson, or in career, or at home while living with another person. It can
Mhm.
be anything. So yes, I have told that during that time I was completely unable to embrace that thing gracefully, but right now, yes, I can embrace
Now,
gracefully
you will.
everything.
So, do you like when someone criticizes you?
Never, sir. No
Never.
one, even no one likes that.
No one likes criticism. Why? Why?
uh,
Is feedback and criticism same?
no, sir, criticism is different, feedback is different in my point of view. uh,
If I if I tell you, okay, at the end of the session, I give you a feedback, Minakshi, you made these grammatical errors. You made errors, mistakes in the pronunciation. So is that a criticism or is it a feedback?
this is a feedback, sir. And while giving feedback and doing criticism of someone, tone matters. Whenever we are like talking about someone's with different tone, that can
So
affect us
criticism
deeply.
can be two, a negative criticism and a constructive or positive criticism.
Yes, exactly. Constructive
Criticism is
criticism, I
good.
would say that is feedback. I would say that is feedback, but negative criticism is not acceptable by anyone, sir.
Have you ever been rejected anytime, anywhere, like a job or somewhere?
Many times, sir. Many times.
In the job or any other occasions?
In the job as well, yes, of course. When I was trying to make my career after com- completing my graduation and diploma course, as I have done diploma course in information technology. At that time, I was looking for a job, and I have given interview in many companies, and I was rejected from many of those companies.
Mhm.
And yes, that was like for me a lesson, I would say, and a rejection too.
So those times, do you take it on the chin? Take it on the chin means take it bravely, or you were totally devastated.
Actually, sir, I would like to share my experience
Uh-huh.
because I have felt that for tolerating everything there is a age. And during that time, as I was trying to work in a better company at that time, so when I was rejected, suppose I was rejected from a particular company, but for a while when I was rejected from that company, I was not shattered, I would say, but yes, for a while I was so
Mhm.
disappointed because that time I had left my home for looking a job, and I was thinking that I need a job during that time, and I wanted to make my career. So yes, I would like to say that that was also a age of uh, being sad, but over the period of time, uh, as we gain experience in something, like right now I'm able to understand that why I'm
Why I
rejected,
was rejected. Now
why
you
I
can
was
analyze in
rejected.
the
Yes,
hindsight. You realize how why and the reason behind rejection, because maybe you lacked some skills which
some
they were
skills.
looking for. They were
Yes,
looking for some technical skills which you lacked, maybe some communication skill, some personality traits. You don't know what happened, but you have overcome all those things. Always remember there will be a silver lining in every cloud.
Exactly.
Every cloud will have a silver lining. Because now I am 65 years old, I had faced many rejections in my life. And in the course of that time, I have grown a thick skin. Now, no one can make any damage. I have a thick skin because I'm criticism proof now. I have faced lot of rejections in my life. But even now, if I think of that was a learning phase in my life. How to face criticism, how to face rejections. As you said, now you are happy.
Yes, I'm happy, and that I'm happy for I was rejected as
Mm,
well, because I feel that we are not going to learn anything, even though it is the life lesson, or in career, or at home while living with another person. It can
mm,
be anything. So until we are not getting rejected,
mm,
we are not going to learn anything. So yes, I have told that during that time I was completely unable to embrace that thing gracefully, but right now yes, I can embrace
Now
gracefully
you will
everything.
gracefully embrace the rejection. What a beautiful sentence you have uttered, right? And sometimes these rejections that will open up another way, another door for you. For example, when I completed my graduation, the final semester, we got some campus interviews. Okay, I attended three, and all of them rejected. And most of my friends got selected, and they all joined. I was so sad, almost shattered. But the good thing, like as I said, every cloud will have a silver lining. Another fourth one, and that was the best company everybody was looking for, the dream company. Now the problem is those who joined in the previous company, they cannot resign and come here because they had to give 5 years contract, 5 years bond. In my case, I was rejected. I couldn't join any of that company, and the fourth company I got selected. So when one door is closed, that will open another 100 doors of opportunity.
Exactly.
You said in your life you had experience of rejections. And what is your experience of criticism? Somebody criticizing you.
So right now I'm at that stage.
Criticizing maybe body shaming, criticizing your language, communication, your looks or your personality, or the way you conduct yourself, your behavior. Many things are there where people can criticize you. Like I used to walk in the morning and the evening. Some people say, "Why are you walking both like morning and evening? There is no need. You should take care of your age. You are not supposed to do that." Hell with you. This is my body. This is my life, and let me do whatever I want.
Exactly.
I will let you what you want to do, and similar fashion, let me do whatever I
Let me
want.
do.
So rejections and criticisms, they will strengthen you. That will
Exactly.
not debilitate you. That should not weaken you.
Right.
That
But
should
so
not dishearten you. Yeah. What do you want to say?
I would like to share
Mm,
my experience
mm,
before and after
mm,
in that, because I also know that around us every kind of people are there. Like some people will appreciate you, and another can criticize. Okay, so now it's we are coming in, the people who are criticizing.
mm.
So earlier I was so emotional person. During that time I was unable to reply them back, and I always used to cry. But right now I have like
No more tears. No more
yes,
tears.
no more tears, and I feel that there is no need to reply those person.
No, yeah, that is the best strategy.
Yes, but whenever someone is coming in front of you and talking for a long, and in between of their like sweet talk, they are criticizing, then it is necessary to reply them back sometimes. Yes.
Some people, they have the bad reputation of giving backhand comments. Backhand comments. Like, for example, hey, Minachi, now you are looking so good. Earlier,
You were not looking.
this
So
is backhand command.
yes.
Oh, you have lost a lot of weight. You're looking so good. Means you were fat. You were very, very, very fat or obese. So these are called, like, body shaming is a part of our society that will always happen, and we should take it as a water off a duck's back. A water off a duck's back means, no, if you pour water on duck's back, it will not stay there. It will fall off. Ignore. Because, like, if a stray dog is barking at you, will you
Mhm.
bark back?
No,
No,
never.
you will ignore. You will ignore it. You will shoo it away. Similarly, if somebody is criticizing you, just
Hmm.
ignore, shrug it off. No need of reply. Because, like, so one man was telling, if they are criticizing you and you don't accept that criticism, it will go back to them. It
Exactly,
will
it
go.
happens. It happens.
It
That
happens.
is the reality, I think.
If I'm giving you a gift and you don't accept that gift, I have to take it home. So if I'm criticizing you and you don't accept that, you don't, or any matter for that matter, anything for that matter, so it will go back to the person who criticized you.
And then, so you, after going home, you will keep thinking about that, why she had not replied.
So
Isn't it?
that thing will be in her mind all the time, brooding, and she must be, "Oh, no, I was thinking she will attack, she will retort, she will retaliate." Nothing happened,
Hmm.
because over a period of time we have developed a thick skin.
Exactly, so the person who has that kind of nature, criticizing in every situation, they always try to create that kind of environment where two people can discuss, like, with arguments, right? That the talk can turn into
You know what is
argument.
the best way to win an argument? The best
Keep
way to win an argument:
keep silent, sir.
avoid argument or
Yes,
keep silence.
keep silent.
If words are silver, silence is golden.
Yes, I think so. Every person learn from their experiences. I have also learned, because no one doesn't know earlier. We should keep silent in that kind of situation. But right now, I know about it that whenever someone is arguing in front of you, just keep silent, and how long they will talk on. Okay,
What
so
is your
this is the
experience? Like, can you share some experience? Like, you kept silent, you kept mum, and the other person got fed up. Oh my God, I'm talking a lot about, and this girl is not reacting. This girl is not responding. And then they will get away and go back. They will stop. And next time, they will think twice. No, no, there is no point in arguing with this girl, and she is cool as a cucumber, and they will stop criticizing you.
So actually, right now, people, whoever, like, talking in front of me, just trying to create that kind of environment. Right now, it is not going to help them to increase the argument, because right now I have that kind of ability to to keep silent for a long period of time. But at, at a time, once I was so arrogant person, so
Hmm.
whenever someone
You were
used
immature. That time you
immature.
were immature. Now, over a period of time, you have learned the lessons. You have learned lessons of life. Maybe you have burnt your fingers by arguing, being aggressive, being a bellicose, or being belligerent. But now it's all over. Now you are mature. You know how to face the music, and there is no more arguments.
Exactly, sir.
So,
So
what is, like, being an experienced person? What is your message to the young generation? How to take criticism?
So I feel that every person has flaws within them. I don't say that I was right all the time.
Yeah, when you are
Maybe
pointing one finger against other person, mind you, four fingers are pointing towards
yes.
you.
So I would say, sir, you need to just like notice your flaws as well uh, before pointing to other person, because I also feel that I might be like a wrong person somewhere. Maybe I have also spoken something wrong to other person, but
Yes,
this, yes,
you are
maybe.
open to corrections.
Yes, but
Welcome.
what matters is that you need to keep silent, and I feel that if everyone knows the principle, I would say, of being silent during that time, the situation around them can make better. Yes,
Positive vibes.
positive vibes, the
With
more
that note,
possibilities of.
let's wrap it up and we call it a session, a wonderful session coming from Meenakshi.